Welcome to the standard installation guide for the ECube 61 kilowatt-hour energy storage system. Open the wooden crate, remove the protective film, prepare the installation tools, remove the fixing bolts on the base, and detach the front and rear panels to begin wiring preparations. Carefully transport the battery cabinet to the installation site using a forklift. Position the mounting brackets on both sides of the cabinet, mark and drill the holes, insert the expansion bolts, and secure the cabinet firmly in place. Install the inverter mounting plate, hang the inverter onto the bracket, and fasten it securely with screws. Connect the auxiliary power, DC output, and communication ports separately. Secure the OT terminals with M8 bolts with a recommended torque of 12 Newton meters. Turn the DC isolator to on, press the power button, and power up the system. Go to the Settings menu, click Battery Setup, select the battery type as BMS Lithium BAT, and set the protocol to 00. Finally, navigate to the network settings to complete the Wi-Fi configuration. Once no alarms or faults are observed, close the battery cabinet door and keep the key safe.